Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the store on AliExpress. Here's how to find the store on AliExpress web app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to log into your AliExpress by visiting the AliExpress website using any browser of your choice at aliexpress.com. Once you do that, log into your account using your account credentials. Once logged in, at the top of the page, there's a search bar. To find the store, you can either enter the store name directly into the search bar, and you can either use the second method, meaning which is knowing the seller's name or the shop ID. Now, you can either enter the store name or you can enter the seller's name or shop ID. You can even scan the seller's code. Anyhow, so this is scanned by image, that's scanning the picture or send the picture of the product that the seller has. And once you click on the product, it just has a way of taking you to the seller's page. So, store name or product. So, I don't have any store in mind, so I'm just going to click on top sellers so that I can search for any store. Now, while that is opening, I would like you to know that if you either use the store name, that's directly the store name or the seller's name or the seller shop ID, you can filter the results to show stores related to your query by selecting stores from the filter options that appear at the top of the results. So you can, if you use the product, if you're searching by product, you can just use stores, add option to just search for just stores. Okay, now once you click on, so like I said, I just want to search for any product, so that's top sellers, and right under I can see the store names under the product. So this is another way for you to do that. Just go ahead and search on the product and you'll find the store name just right there. So this is store name, and just go ahead and click on that store name, and it's just going to take me to the store sellers page, which is here. So, like I said, this is one of the easiest ways to go about that. But then, if you click on the product, let's say we're not using the top sellers like I used, just going back here. So, click on any product, and once you click on any product, on the product again. So this is a product. Now in the product page, scroll all the way down. Scroll down slightly and find the seller's name. Scroll down and find, so this is customer show and description of the store, description of the product rather. Okay, so this is it. So this is the store's name, Hates Monday Store. Hates Monday Store. I can go ahead and follow the store, or I can go ahead and message the store. You can also scroll the way up slightly and click on store, where to search for more products in that store. And that's just pretty much it. So like I said, alternatively, AliExpress has a store directory. You can browse by category or popularity, so you can access it from the homepage by scrolling down and finding stores, or you can check top stores in the search bar. You can search for stores or top sellers in the search bar for you to find shops, or for you to find products and their stores as well as their sellers. So that's pretty much the process. Then you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.